Video. This is our trip to General Natividad. We have here Mrs. Divine. Gusto ko ang Mrs. bakit ba? We have here Divine Sara Malamanig with with Tintin the Great. And the next one is ano ba pangalan ito? Maria Cristina Ibarra Velarde y Consolacion. And we have here also Miss Jenica Roma Canicosa.
Thank you.
Okay. And the next one we have Miss Roxanne Barcelo Sandoval. Ha? Roxanne Ginoo Barcelo Sandoval. Sige, sa'yo na lahat. Then may naka-stripe po doon as ang pangalan po niya ay si Miss Zenia. Andito na po kami sa Palayan. Palayan City National High School. Then ang bagong ligo, fresh na fresh from the Poso. Carolina Labamba Valdez. And last but not the least, never mind. Anong pangalan mo kasi? Ana, close up, super close up po. Alam mo lang katigya-tigyawa to. Wala pang makeup yan. At ang driver po namin, si Kasan. At ang likod ni Jeru, kitang-kita. Jeru, lap ka naman, Jeru. Jeru. Ayaw pa kunyari. Ay, si Ka-Cherry na naka-blush on. Hi! Blush on ako. Yes. Sana nabibidyo ko, no? Okay. Dyan hanggang dito na lang po muna. At itutuloy po namin mamaya aming coverage. Ay! Mascom, dapat ikaw yun eh. Yeah. Nandito po tayo ngayon. Ganun-ganun ka. O, sige. Sample.
How about, what report do you like?
Halimbawa, may nag-overtake, kulay green na kotse.
Here we are.
Here again.
It's the field. Yes, right.
Ang topic natin. Oh, yes.
Owned by Miss Mary Ann Santos
Mapanaw.
Mapanaw. Woo! Yay! A round of applause. I thank you.
Yun lang. O, sige. Ang haba ng report mo, Okay. That's it, baby. Hanggang dito na lamang po.
How about you?
Ano?
You don't video yourself.
Niya mo na. Ako naman may-ari nito eh. Okay, sige. Hanggang dito na lang po muna. Sasakto lang natin ng cut.